Okay, so y'all, I've been looking all over for like a green smoothie diet that's gonna work for me. That's not gonna be too bitter. Now, let me be clear: this smoothie is not gonna be sweet, but it's also not gonna be bitter either. Pretty much, I like tweaked a green smoothie diet that I found. If I can find the link again, I'll put the link in the description box, but obviously you can make it to your own liking. I just use like fresh veggies, fresh fruits, some unsweetened almond milk, and I added water, and I also added chia seeds because, as you guys know, the chia seeds they help like with the flattening of your stomach, like inflammation and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, so y'all had to have me a little tester cup because I had to make sure it was like sweet enough, sweet to like my tasting, because it couldn't be too big. Okay, so now you're gonna see me putting them in these little containers that you can like take on the go and stuff. My boyfriend actually got them from the dollar store. I've seen them on Amazon. You can get the ones with the straws, but this will kind of like help you stay on track because it's already in a container, and if you need to rush out the door, then it's already there. So that's what I'm doing now.